Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Troy local and long-distance movers near me. Hiring the best cheap Troy moving company for your needs means you should check out 3 Movers. We offer the top moving options in the area for local and long-distance moves. Whether you need to move a house, business, equipment, furniture, or anything else, we can help. Our team works with all types of clients, including renters, business owners, students, homeowners, and veterans. We offer the following moving options for our clients. Packing services. The process of packing and unpacking is very involving. You will need professional movers to make the process easy. Moving supplies. We offer all the right moving supplies and packing materials to help you when you need to move. On-time move. You don't have to worry about cancellation or delay when you choose to let us do the moving for you. Upfront pricing. We offer upfront free price estimates for all our clients. Our price quotes have 0 hidden costs, making us very transparent. Licensed and insured. Your things are protected with us. We only use the best professional movers for the job. There are many different reasons why you might be relocating. Regardless of the reason, you need our help. We can make your long-distance move easier. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Troy moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.